inside of this UEFN tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get infinite ammo. And to do this, we need to go and press all in our content browser. Type in island settings. And we need to drag that onto the screen. But as you can see, I already have one. So we're going to go open island settings. Literally all we need to do in here is type in ammo. And here we can see we have infinite reserve ammo and infinite magazine ammo. If you want them to reload, don't have this one enabled, but you just have to turn these on and you'll have infinite ammo. If you have something like a team settings device, make sure that you're not overriding the infinite ammo inside of here, because maybe you're doing that and that would be a reason why it's not showing. Use creator code GISMO if this was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe, and I got a link in the description for absolute beginners to UEFN.